So guys, let's get down to trading. Today we're gonna open 500 positions on a 1 minute time frame. All the currency pairs with the highest buy trade have been picked, and basically we're gonna use the following indicators. The first one is the Stochastic, and next one is the Keltner channel. They work perfectly in the combinations, guys, and I know many people who use this strategy, and generally it brings them a good profit. The main signals for position entry are going to be the crossing of the overbought and the oversold zones, and let's set the overbought zone to 70 and the oversold on to 30, and basically our goal is to make a good profit today. So let's get started and find a better currency pair. Well, let's watch. We're interested in the highest buy trade. We will play out the Keltner channel, and let's open a long position here without thinking twice. This is a good position entry. We observe the uptrend on the chart, and we see that the Stochastic is currently at the bottom in the oversold zone, and in the theory we're gonna see the reversal and further movement to the upside. Also there's updating here. We see these tiny corrections, and there was a good correction in this zone that touched the middle line of the channel, and it indicates that the correction seems to be over and the price will go upwards. And I can say that's why we opened it the long, guys. The crossing did happen, yeah, and I am expecting to see a good breakout by the end of our position, and it's gonna be closed in profits. I'm okay with the price movement so far. And there we go, the first position has been closed in profits. Like I said, we're seeing a nice breakout at the end, exactly as I predicted, guys. So let's find the next currency pair. Okay, and let's go in the trading session. Look, the price starting going down here. Well, let's check out the other currency pairs. I don't see a good trade entry so far, and so here we better open a short. I will select the workspace and take a look at the Stochastic, guys. This is the first moment, the second one, and the third. This are the peaks according to the Stochastic, and in theory we're gonna see the reversal and it will go into correction. After this pullback while having the downward dynamics, it looks very probably there was the updating of the local high and the price should go downwards. So there was a good pullback, the crossing of the overbought zone on the Stochastic, and there are literally 15 seconds left before the closing, and I'm fine with the price movement. We see that the volatility is not too high. By the way, we have perfect position, entry level, and there are 5 seconds left, and let's watch, guys. And we got the second position profits, so there is no stopping here, and let's find the next currency pair. Let's have a look at here. Well, we observe the downward dynamics. Let's check the support zone. Here it is low, and basically we can conclude that the price should go lower, and that's why we opened the short. You know, guys, let's open two more short positions here. I think this is a rational move. I think because first of all we see the peak on the Stochastic, so the price should go lower because the trend is downward, and there was a small pullback from this level, and but the price hasn't entered the channel. At first we open a short at this level, but this is not safe, to be honest, and that's why we opened two extra short positions, and in order to reduce the risk to go into the negative. And basically there are around 5 seconds left before the closing, and first position. And let's watch the price movement, guys. By the way, even the first position end up in profits. That's awesome, and this same goes for the other two. There's also in profits, and they're almost $14,000 on the balance. Good outcome, guys. And let's now drag this out and find the next currency pair. Good, I think good, guys. Let's continue analyzing and find the next position entry. Well, here the price has more upward dynamics, and the direction should change. The price is gonna go upwards, so I think we should open a long here. I'll point out the workspace. Basically we open it here to the market. If you look the price dynamics, the breakdown on the support level did happen, and we already saw a massive correction here. And basically if we consider this area, then this is a perfect correction, and so we play ahead of the market, and we release that the price has to bounce off and start going up. And I can say that's why we open a long position, considering that we on a 1 minute time frame. And I can say because the price can go lower in the short term down to its support zone, and that's why it's more promising to open when a 1 minute time frame. And I think that's why our position is in profits again. Wow, guys, have a look, there's high volatility. That's why on minute time frame is better here, and there's an inception of the red candle with isn't a bullish signal. That's why we open in 1 minute position and when using the strategy. And basically let's change the currency pair. Continue analyzing, and we're gonna find the better trade entry. Let's look for it here. There were no crossings so far, so is it worth playing ahead of the market? Well, let's figure it out. I think it's gonna be a good trade entry. Actually, we'd better open a few more long positions in case the first one ends up at loss. I'll point out the workspace, and basically we release that the stochastic is stuck in the oversold zone and need high time to break out. And by the way, there was a nice correction here. In addition, we can point out the support zone. The price was rejected from it, and the small accumulation zone has been formed. And basically I think after this huge correction, by the way, there was upward dynamics, the uptrend, and now the price should continue moving upwards, and that's why we opened our long positions. By the way, look at this massive pump, guys. This stochastic almost reached the overbought zone, so the position entry was calculated perfectly. And all the positions have been closed in profits. Good job, I adore these movements, and we got really good profit on the balance. And let's open a few more positions and find the next currency pair, guys. We're looking for the most profitable pair trade. By the way, we can observe a nice touch of the support zone here, and let's open a long, guys. But if the price goes slower, we will open two more, and let's open two more long position, guys. And let's point out the workspace. We're promising position entry, guys, and there's a touch of the support zone. I'm expecting to see the rebound, as it happened here. Also there was a nice correction here, and we see the downward trend on the chart, and we're gonna play out the pullback, but still the price is gonna hold at this level for a while because the stochastic is at the bottom and the moving averages are at level 10. And I think in theory a little rebound is imminent here, and that's why we opened our long positions. And the first one ended up and lost, and unfortunately we're a little late, but the breakout has already happened. The support zone played out perfectly, but the other two positions have been closed in profits, and they're for $16,000 on the balance, guys. And I guess we open two more positions and then we fix the profit, and let's find another currency pair. Crazy guys. 16,000. Oh my god. Let's continue analyzing, and I have a look at this. We see the touch of the support zone, the price kind of going sideways. I think we should slow down here. By the way, the buy rate is not good. What do we got here? Actually, we're a little late here. It would be perfect if we open it when the candle was here, and I guess we're gonna hold off opening here. However, let's open a long position here, and we will open a few additional positions if we consider it necessary. And let's do this. Not the best level thought, and the price is going lower. I think let's open two more positions here, and let's have a look. I'll point out the workspace. The upward dynamics prevails here. The stochastic is not in the overbought zone yet, so in theory, while having the upward dynamics, the price is gonna go upwards, and we observed this great correction in this area. Then there was the upward dynamics, the beginning of the local high that happened, and then there was another correction after we were expecting to see the price going upwards. And if you look at the stochastic, is too early for the reversal, so we have the space for growth, and I think the position was opened correctly. And let's see, the first positions end up in lost. It was expected. The next ones have been closed in profits, and there are two final positions left, and let's wait for the outcome. There we go, the final positions are in profits. We got 17,000, 70,000 the balance, so I'm happy with this trading session. This is where far this goes, and don't be afraid of using the principle of martingale. So open extra positions if you miss the desired level or position entry, and try to find the currency pair that got medium volatility if you don't want end up at loss like this. And let's move on to withdrawal. Okay, I think let's withdraw, I guess, $7,400, and press the continue. Our transaction is being processed. I'll touch the screen where it's completed, and in the next video will show you my strategy, and I'm gonna open 1000 positions, and I want to show you that sometimes such risks are just feared. So, and I want to say only thank you guys for watching, for trading with me, for trust me, and don't forget about my Telegram, about my new Telegram channel. New link you can find in description, and new link you can find here. Thank you guys, and bye bye.